Yeah. Okay. So there's this tap move called a nerve where you tense your upper part of your leg, your hip area. You tense that to the point where it starts to shake, and you loosen your ankle. So you get that. So you get that like jitterbug type of sound. And so when I got to 6 clicks, 7 clicks, I started finding almost a limit. Like I couldn't, lock my ankles and do 6 passes. So I had to I had to think of a way to move them faster. So I just learned that trick off YouTube, and I thought, what if like you jumped in the air and you did 2 very concentrated nerves, like with both legs, and like kept your heels very close together. I bet you could make heel clicks out of that, And so that's where the concept came from. So like 7 clicks, 8 clicks, 9 clicks, and now 10 and 11 are actually loose ankled. So normally heel clicks you want a strong ankle, for the connection, but actually for these ones, you loosen the ankles, and that's how I've been able to do it. So I figured I'd explain it. I'm probably gonna not do it justice now, but that's the process at least. So yeah. And I also I don't know what the technique is, but I flap my arms like a bird, and somehow I feel like mentally it gives me that feeling like I'm jumping higher. I don't know. So there's that. Woo. Nope. That's the idea of it. Yeah, it's getting stuck at about 9 or 10 tonight. Yeah. Just practice, guys. It's maybe not this trick, but another trick that you love. Practice the can I say it, the heck out of it, and gradually you get more consistent with it and more efficient with it, and you find ways to do it stronger. And that applies to so many different tricks in Irish dancing. So that's what my biggest takeaway for you guys is keep practicing. Go in the studio or your basement setup or wherever it is when nobody's watching, and you just go through it. Quantity. Just get that practice in there with the quality tricks. Yeah. Cool. Woo, that was a workout. Thanks, guys.